Hi, my name is Craig, and this is a video review of the Portable Buddy made by Mr. Heater. This is your switch. That's how you put it low and high, and it activates the pilot. Here's how it works. You turn this to where the pilot spot is. To turn it on, first of all, what you'll do is you have this canister, and what you do is you buy it at Walmart for a couple bucks. And what you do is I'm going to unscrew this, and then to screw it on you, there's the receiver. Stick it in there, and you'll turn. And you want to do it very snug, but not too hard, or you'll strip it. And you push it down to lock it in. Okay, then you go over here, put this button onto the pilot spot right there, and push down like so. What it does is down here, it activates the pilot, which you can start to see. You have to do this a lot of times, usually to get it. Okay, I think we're on. Now I'm going to turn this to low. That's how we get pushed down, then turn. It's getting on. It's on. Okay, I want to let you know about this, and I wanted to tell you that I have used this inside of a van. There was times when I was places and it was too expensive for a hotel room, and so it was freezing cold outside. We had stayed in the van, and we had used this and lowered the window maybe about 2 inches on each side. And it made it extremely toasty. We would actually wake up in the morning and be very, very hot usually. There was a couple times when it was so cold outside we had the windows all the way up. And what happened was that the propane was so dangerous, we had this major smell inside the van, and we actually felt queasy, believe it or not, and it was a terrible situation. The thing was that it was so cold outside and windy that we wanted to try putting the windows up and seeing what it would do. We tried to leave it slightly cracked, but that slight crack wasn't enough to keep the propane from overtaking the van. So you have to keep it at least probably 2 inches cracked if you're in a van with 2 windows. If you have 4 windows, you could probably keep them 1 to 1.5 inches cracked on each window. But this is a great heater. This is great for if you want to work in the garage, on your car in the wintertime, or in the garage doing anything. You can just turn on and get a large amount of heat. And each of these things, I would put this in the van on medium setting, and it would last basically all night long, is what it was. We would put it on about midnight, and it would go until like 8 o'clock in the morning, and that would generate plenty of heat, but it would be the canister would be done. And so it's basically $2.50 for the canister. Isn't bad, not a bad deal at all. overall, my review of this product is amazing. This is something which is an amazing thing to have, and everybody should have one around. But if you're going to use this in your house, which I had it on, it's very important that you have ventilation and you have the windows slightly cracked, because it's very dangerous if you do not. And so that's my review of the the Portable Buddy by Mr. Heater. And that's about all for now.